Olivia acting crazy. The Four Stooges trying to play basketball. Oh, good shot, Chandler! And I got that on video. Chan, I got that on video.
It's like a key pom-pom.
Get it, girl, get it. Don't hurt yourself. Look at him knocking kids over. Big gorilla.
He was underneath me. Was he not underneath me?
Brian.
She got it on camera, nigga. Look, he was underneath me.
I got Chandler's 3 on camera too.
Come on, D.
There you go, D.
20 Come on, D, go.
He got it.
Oh! Get that. Wide open. Oh! That boy's cold with it.
He acts like he's good because he's beating kids.
Hey, is this child abuse? With this direction, is child abuse out here?
Come on.
This is going on YouTube.
First, let me see it first, because I'm in there too.
Olivia.
Come on, this shit here's all tight, man. Man, D, take me out. All right, 24 to 15.
Here, get it.
Everybody's texting.
And hit that button right there, baby. Now this button right here.
That button. Oh, it already had words on the thing, so here it is already like.
His phone is stupid. Nope, it's I just cut off. It's dead.
Daddy, your phone went dead.
You talking about getting mugged? You ought to let that motherfucker chase you. He's swinging elbows, fists, everything.
Daddy, your phone just went dead.
It's all right. I'm going to take it to her. Take her.
Now, the important people are with them anyways. It don't matter if it's dead.
15, 24.
Kick him in the butt, Chandler. Get him.
Get that shit out of here.
You don't need to pack him, baby. That's mean.
I feel horrible for doing that. I shouldn't have did that shit. Oh, shit. I can't breathe. Please. Damn, you got a fat ass. I can't breathe.
Babe.
Oh,
Come on.
help me.
Help. Houston, we need help.
Houston, we have a problem.